Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagar Prajapati, and in this video we'll be talking about what is operator in Python language. So if you are someone who doesn't know Python, so you can take this course and watch all the videos till the end so that you will get better understanding in Python. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. So chalo, let's get started for today's video. So the topic is operators. First one, we will see what is Boolean. A Boolean data type present one of the two values, that is true or false. Okay, like 0 or 1 in C language or C++ language. The use of these data type will be clear once we start using the comparison operator. The first letter T for true and F for false should be capitalized, unlike JavaScript. Example, Boolean values, print true and false. Now we will see what is operators. So Python language supports several type of operators. First one is assignment operator. Assignment operator is nothing but, it is a equal to operator. If you can see, assignment operator are used to assign value to variables. If I open my whiteboard, then this is also called a assignment operator. Okay, let's say a is equal to 10. So here equal to sign is assignment operator. Okay, cool. Now we have a topic, arithmetic operator. So in a calculator or in mathematics, you must have used addition operator, addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, or exponentiation, right? So it's very simple: plus, minus, multiply, divide. This for int, and this is for the power. Let's say I want to do this a square, not a square, let's say 3 to the power 2. So what I will do, I will write 3 into 2, so it means 9. Okay, so it's very basic. Now we have integer as a number. Okay, data type is an integer, so this is a small program you can see over here. I mean, just a basic program over here. Then we have a float number, like 3.14, 9.81. These comes under floating number. Now we have a topic, comparison operators. In programming, we compare values. We use comparison operators to compare two values. So let's say 3 is greater than 2. So what does it mean is, it is comparing something. 3 is greater than or equal to 2. 3 is less than 2, less than, equal to means it is checking whether these two numbers are equal or not. Then it is not equal to. Okay. Likewise, so comparison operator, what does it mean? Equal to, equal to, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. Let's say I have a value of a0 and b is equal to 2. So if I write a is equal to b, it will give me false. But if I write a is not equal to b, it will give me true. Okay, cool. Another example, if I take a value 2 and b value 3, and if I write like a is less than b, so what does it mean? 2 is less than 3. It means it return true. So if I write a is greater than b, it will give false as a value. Cool. Now there is one more topic. In addition to the above comparison operator, Python uses is not, not in. If you can see here, what does is means is returns to if both variables are the same object, like x is y. Is not means return to if both variables are not in the same object, are not the same object. Return to if the queried list contains a certain item. Not in means return to if the queried list doesn't have a certain item in the list. Let's say 1 is 1. Yeah, that's true. 1 is not 2. That is also true. A in Sagar, capital में है, right? A found in the string. B found, not found in the string, right? Then coding in coding for all, yeah, true. Then you can see A in AN. तो मतलब A is present in AN. Yeah, that is true. Now 4 is 2. I mean, not 4 is 2. 4 is this 2 की power 2 is equal to 4. So 4 is 4. That is true. Okay. So let's say for better understanding, if I write down here, let's say I am writing A value 2 and B value 3. Okay, if I am writing A is B, so it should give me false return, false result. A is not B, which is true. ठीक है? Like suppose I have let's say the value of A is Sagar Prajapati and B value is Sagar. Now if I write like B in A, it will give me true result, right? And sorry, if I write like where the cursor is, if I like B not in A, so it will give me false result. Okay, I hope you have understood till now, till this. Now we'll go below. The last operator is logical operator. Unlike logical, like you must have heard this logical operator in C language, C++, and Java also. So the same thing is here. The only thing is keyword or syntax is different. So and or not. And means if two statements are correct, it will give me one result, right? Two result. Or means if either one of the two, then it will give the true. Not means reverse the result. Return false if the result is true. Okay. This is very simple. I mean, you do not need to worry about it. Like you must have heard, or you must have used in different programming language also. So now we will do some practice. So I will talk about first logical operator. Okay. So we have this, editor. Now what I'll do, I just write A key value 10 and B key value 5, right? Now if I do like print A and B, let's see, the output is 5. Why the output 5 comes? Why the output 5 comes? If I do print A or B, now what is the value come? Value come 10. Okay, but if I write like this, A is this, okay, and B is A, or let's say B is equal to, B is equal to A, something like this. Now we will get false value because value of A is greater than B, it is true, and B is equal to A, which is false. One is true, one is false. The whole result would be false. Let's say I use the same thing But instead of and, I use here or. If I run this, now the result is true because this is true, and this is false. Okay, this is true. If this is true, see, if this is true, it means the result is true. Okay, now if I write like print A is greater than B, let's say, or B is equal to A. And if I just do not, now the answer is false. See, okay, this is something logical operators. Cool. Now I'm talking about comparison. So if I write print A is greater than B, this is comparison. Print B is equal to A. Print A is greater than or equal to B. Now if I run this, you will see. Let me comment this thing. Now if I run, then you will see the output is true because first is true, right? B is no, is false. And true means like A is greater than B. Yes, that is fine. Arithmetic. ठीक है? A plus B, simple. A minus B, simple. A into B, simple. A divided by B, it's simple. Print A into B, simple. Print A mod B. Let's print it. 10 5 ja 15. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 into 5, 50. 10 divided by 2 is 2.0. You can see the number comes in float. 10 to the power 5. ठीक है? It's come around 1 lakh. And इसमें 0 आएगा, right? Now, what if I do like this? A divide by 2 यहाँ पे लगाया, and then if I just run it, then you will see 2. So we got the output in integer format. What we can do, we can use like this also. It is up to you. Okay, we get the same output, correct? So we have seen logical comparison, and then we have seen this arithmetic wala operator, and this also assignment operator we already have seen. So okay, so one more thing is here. I have told you in the previous lecture about the list, right? So let's say I'm writing some list. Let's say 1 2 3 4, and we have okay, here I'll write 5. Cool. Now I'm writing like print L like B in L. What is the value of B? The value of B is 5. So 5 in L. It is saying 5 is present in L, which is true. It should return me true answer. But I am saying A in L. It means the value of A is 10. Correct? It is not present. So it will give me false result. But I am saying A not in. It is saying correctly like 10 is not present in list, which is correct. So it should give me 2, and vice versa. Okay. Let's say I'm writing here A is B. So A is equal to B. No, false. A is not B. A is not B. That is true. Okay. So what we have studied today about the logical operator, about the comparison operator, about the floats, about the integers, about the arithmetic operator, about the assignment operators, and about the Boolean data type. So I hope you have understood this concept. And if you do like and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. And like if you sincerely following this video, you will definitely learn Python in just 15 to 20 days. I'm sure. I'm 100% sure. And yeah, if you're liking, please like this video or comment. Do comment. Or if you have any doubt, please do comment in this video, and follow my channel, follow my profile, or so that you will get more notification, or everything. So chalo, in this video, this is the end, and I hope you have understood this concept correctly. And if you do like and share. Thank you.